everyone, happy Christmas and welcome to my first year on YouTube's review video. What a journey it has been and an absolute adventure, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So first off, I want to be so honest, my first videos, they were terrible. Let's just say it was a total learning experience, and if you actually go back and watch some of them early videos, I don't recommend it, but if you do, you will see it was pretty bad. Plus, I also made the rookie mistake of only keeping edited videos. So what you see is what you get. And yes, the first few months, they were all to music because I was still learning and I was still figuring it out. And I now know I much prefer it to the natural sound, the natural sounds. But we all have to start somewhere, right? But February, it completely was the whole reason I started a YouTube channel. I went on my bucket list holiday. I went to Tanzania to see the Great Wildebeest Migration. Let me tell you, even though it was my second safari, nothing still prepares you for seeing like the wildlife in the natural habitat. So like those early moments watching elephants, lions, cheetahs, zebras in the wild, it's breathtaking. And I can't wait to show you the footage I got. I actually cried rewatching it to make this video again. But in March, it took me to Bempton. It was the first visit for the year to Bempton Cliffs. So those that don't know, Bempton's actually an absolute incredible location in Yorkshire where the seabirds gather. The landscape's just absolutely beautiful. So I'll be sharing some of them videos and like with you, and you'll actually hopefully feel like you were right there with me. But I'm going to wrap up this video with March, as Tanzania was such a huge highlight. I just didn't want to miss out any moment because it was too good not to share it all again with you. But the next video I will dive in and do April to June. So stick around, trust me, the journey is just getting started. Morning, I'm here at my local park in County Durham. I've come for a wander because the light is absolutely stunning today, so hopefully we'll be able to get some really cool pictures. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali. I'm a wildlife and pet photographer from the northeast of England. I thought I would start doing these videos, so people have asked me what's it like to be a wildlife photographer, so I thought, well, why not show you? Good morning, I'm here at my local RSPB reserve at Saltholme. I'm at RSPB Old Moor in Rotherham. 5 o'clock in the morning. It is travel day. It's the day I go to Africa. Oh my goodness, I am here. I am in Tanzania. We are currently in Arusha. Oh my goodness, I am at Ngorongoro crater. Oh my god, Ngorongoro crater! We got rhino! Oh my god! We are in Lamala Ngora tented camp. Oh my goodness, what a day. We spotted a male lion. I would have been hit in the head with a male lion's tail. I'm actually quite gutted that I shut the window now. Oh, I've got my best male lion picture. I'm so happy. Honestly, we didn't have any luck really with the lions in South Africa. I got woke up about 5 o'clock by hyena. Like, oh my god. Like, what a wake up call. Hyena. Like, unreal. So we're heading towards Ndutu today. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait.
Nzuri sana wageni wakaribishwa Tanzania yetu, hakuna matata. Wena Kreta wamekwenda, hakuna matata. Huyo tembo wamemuona, hakuna matata. Huyo simba wamemjua, hakuna matata. Huyo chui ana madoa, hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana wageni wakaribishwa Tanzania yetu, hakuna matata.
I'm now sat outside the lounge here in Ndutu, and wow, honestly I just love this place. We've only been here half an hour and it's beautiful. Sorry, I've got, wow, oh my goodness, this Marabou stork just flew past my head. The Marabou stork literally just said wow, 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 sorry. Wow, and oh my god, I can't cope now. What was I saying? Honestly. And we've seen the wildebeest migration. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Honestly, it was fab. There must have been Wow. Oh my goodness, there's a big marvelous dog just flying about. Wow, it was amazing. I've seen the great wildebeest migration. Bucket list, tick. So we're here, we're at Lamala Ndutu. This is our home for 2 nights. So we're currently walking back to dinner now, and we're walking through Ndutu on our own. There could be a lion in that bush, there could be a leopard in that bush, there could be anything in this bush. And we're walking on our own. There's no fences here. It's crazy. So this is where we are currently walking. Just back from our first safari in Ndutu. Oh my goodness, it was amazing. Oh my goodness, it was a day of lions. Wow, honestly, the lions were unreal. What we've seen is epic, and the country is beautiful. Tanzania and the Serengeti is stunning. We are in the middle of Ndutu Plains. We've just had our breakfast and we've just had it in the middle of the plains, just in the middle of the bush. There's nothing inside, it's unreal. But this area is just like, look at this, it's unreal. There is nothing inside. There's our Jeep. Like, there's nothing here. It's bonkers, it's unreal. It's out of this world. I love it. Day. It was epic. We seen the lion cubs this morning. Then we seen younger lion cubs playing in a tree. I thought, how is the day going to get any better than this? We came across some eland. So, taking some pictures of these eland, and then I spotted something out the corner of my eye. And it was a male lion. And he was coming towards the eland. He was actually trying to hunt them. Like, oh my God, I got he didn't succeed. He had a bit of a limp. But we got him trying to catch these eland. I've nearly got a kill. So we then carried on in the search for cheetah, hoping that we might get some. We got one mum and 3 cubs. Oh my God, it was amazing. But our guide was like, these are actually hunting, so let's wait. So we waited. 2 hours later, Mum decides to charge. And she charged. And she made a run for the Grand Gazelle. She caught the Grand Gazelle. She caught it. I've got to witness a full force cheetah run and a kill. Honestly, wow, it's just, that has been a dream to see a cheetah full force. It's bucket list. It's unreal. Honestly, I've gone. It's just, it was so cool. Honestly, I'm lost for words. I am absolutely lost for words. It was epic. And I wanted a blood-faced cheetah. I got a blood-faced cheetah. Honestly, Nindu too. Wow. I mean, the footage isn't great. I'm not going to lie. It's not going to win any awards or anything. Not any of my footage is, like, I'm a photographer. I just want to do some videos to capture what I'm doing. So, video's quite new to me. So, I apologise if anyone thinks my videos are a bit pants. They probably are, but I want you to feel what I feel when I'm out in the bush, or even at home. I want you to come along and join me on it. Today, it's days of dreams. It's just a dream come true. Tomorrow, we are actually going to be heading into the Serengeti. We are having 2 nights in the Serengeti. Oh my God, I've dreamt of coming to the Serengeti since I was a little kid and watched Lion King. And I'm actually going to be doing it tomorrow. I'm going to the Serengeti. Time to go to the Serengeti.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Lemara yetu hakuna matata. Ukenda Ngorongoro hakuna matata. Ukenda Tarangire hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Lemara yetu hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Lemara yetu hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribisha, Lemara yetu hakuna matata. Kenda Tarangire hakuna matata. Kenda Ngorongoro hakuna matata. Kija Ewanzani hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa, Lemara yetu hakuna matata. Bomba, Wanahitaji kubembeleza wageni, silele mama, wanahitaji kubembeleza wageni, silele mama, wanahitaji kubembeleza wageni, silele mama, wanahitaji kubembeleza. Tuwachanganyie machungwa, matenza na malimao, tuwachanganyie machungwa, matenza na malimao, tuwachanganyie machungwa, matenza na malimao. Naumia, 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 naumia. Tuwachanganyie machungwa, matenza na malimao, tuwachanganyie machungwa, matenza na malimao. Siamba, 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 siamba,
Good morning, I'm at RSPB Bempton Cliffs. I absolutely love it here. Honestly, seabirds are my favourite. Well, that was a nice surprise. I've literally just come to the first viewpoint bit. Well, it's not even a viewpoint, it's just a bit I always check. And I've got 2 puffins. Like, I wasn't expecting puffins today, and I've got 2. Got a new puffin, and I've managed to live on it. I thought this path's going to be so cool, because like, it's flat, and I've just nearly fell over. Awesome. So I was going to tell you about some of the birds that we actually have here at Bempton Cliffs. So we've got your usual suspects. So we have the puffins. I love a puffin. Honestly, they're so cute. They just remind me of little clowns. Kittiwakes like little gulls. They're quite little. They nest on the cliffs, and when they fight, it is so cool to watch them fight. They'll actually chuck each other off the cliff, and like they'll spin around in circles. So then you've got your guillemots. They're here from November until July. Normally the best viewing's about March to July. So then you have your fulmars. Fulmars are here from like December until about September. I tend to get my best views when I come during the winter months of the fulmars. So then you have your razorbills. Razorbills are here from like March till July time. And they're like black with like a white breast. People often mistake them for puffins. But they've got a dark bill with a white band on. Then you have your herring gulls. Herring gulls are here all year. I don't tend to spend much time on herring gulls. I will, if it's a really cool picture, I will stop and take a picture of it. Herring gulls are the ones that people think are seagulls. They are the ones that pinch your fish and chips. And so then you have your gannets. Honestly, I love gannets. They're my favourite bird. They tend to get here about January. I love getting here early in the season, seeing like the odd one on the cliff. They just look so lonesome when they're on their own. Gannets will dive in for fish. They'll dive around 60 miles per hour to catch this fish. I've done a few diving gannet trips. Oh, it's unreal. Honestly, I love it. What the end of the day though, like, I thought, oh, I'll go and see if I can see the barn owl. It was where there's a viewpoint, that I'll walk up to the viewpoint and see what I can see. There's people there. Oh, the barn owl must be about. People pointing the camera. So I got there was a space for me. Pointing my camera up, once I seen something take off, it was a shorty. It was a short-eared owl. You know me by now, I don't have much luck with short-eared owls. So I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So the shorty was flying about, then there was 3 deer, and it was like, I got a shorty and I got 3 deer. Then another short-eared owl took off. There was 2 short-eared owls. Like, it was so cool. And then, so I was like watching the shorties, and then the barn owl appears. So we're like, oh my god, this is amazing. There's 2 short-eared owls, a barn owl, and deer. There was 3 deer, like roe deer, and they were just so cool. So photographing away. Next minute, there's another barn owl. Honestly, it's like a Disney movie. It was so cool. So there's 2 short-eared owls, 2 barn owls, 3 deers, and then there was loads of hare. Like, it was just epic. And that is a wrap. that is the first part of my year. How amazing was that? I actually cried again. But it's incredible to see how much has changed from them early, more terrible videos at the start, then to capturing the amazing moments in Tanzania and even Bempton Cliffs. Each experience, each moment, it's been a learning journey. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you that have been here, liked and commented and subscribed and shared it with me. I know my content has evolved. I promise I'm going to keep pushing myself, I'm going to keep exploring, and I'm going to keep sharing these incredible adventures with you. So the next video will pick up from April. So make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button and the notification bell so you don't miss a single thing. Thank you so much for each and every one of you for being a part of this journey. Here's to more adventures in 2025, more growth, more memories, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. I will see you in the next video and I will see you soon.